Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, I'm feeling these braids. I'm loving these braids. But anyways, let's get into the video. What you're gonna need for this facial is 1 egg, some sugar, and a brush. I'm using a makeup brush because that's what I will use to apply the facial to my face. So what you do is you're gonna use the white part of the egg, not the yellow part, the white part, and you're gonna put it in a small bowl and you're gonna start mixing it. So you're gonna mix it and mix it and mix it. After, you're just gonna add 1 spoon of sugar and keep on mixing it. After, you're just gonna add it, after beating the egg with the sugar, you're gonna apply it to your face. After applying all of it to your face, you're gonna leave it on your face for like 15 to 30 minutes. I also added some on my sister's face. After that 15 to 30 minutes, you're gonna get a piece of cloth and a bowl of water, warm water, and you're gonna wipe it off your face. Yo, my face felt so clean and just, I felt like it got clearer and my face just felt real good after doing this facial, and I'm gonna keep doing it, and I advise you to do it too. So thank you for watching my video. I'll be seeing you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.